Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Atomberg fan remote not working or responding, battery, reset and signal fix guide. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. So step 1, remove the battery cover from the remote, then install fresh batteries of the correct type. Then make sure the plus and minus battery terminal are aligned correctly. Test the remote again. Second fix is reset the fan and remote. Turn off the fan from the wall switch, then wait 10 to 15 minutes. Turn the fan back on, then remove the battery from the remote. Wait 10 seconds and reinstall the battery. Press and power button and check if the fan responds. Third fix is check the IR signal. Open the camera app on your phone, then point the front LED of the remote toward the camera, then press any button on the remote. Look for a flashing light on the phone screen. Fourth one is remove signal obstruction. Stand closer to the fan, then point the remote directly at the fan. Remove any object blocking the signal path. Test all button again. Thanks for watching.